FlyWP's new Redirect Manager lets you create and manage redirects without third-party plugins. Let's jump into the dashboard, select your site, and click on Redirect Rules. This is where you'll find the Redirect Manager. Click Add New Redirect to get started. From URL, enter the subpath you want to redirect from. Be sure to include the leading slash into URL. Enter the path or full destination URL, whether it's on the same domain or a different one entirely. Next, choose the redirect type, 301 for a permanent redirect, 302 for a temporary one. Once saved, your new redirect rule is instantly applied to your server. Let's try one. We'll redirect a URL to google.com. And just like that, it works. You can easily add, edit, or delete redirect rules anytime, all from the same dashboard. It's a simple and efficient way to manage redirects, all without touching a line of code. For more help or details, check out the FlyWP documentation.